Hey, welcome back to edtech by Meera, and today's is going to be pure HTML without any CSS for absolute beginners in HTML. I'm going to show you something very simple but interesting. How would you embed video in your HTML page or document? Very simple, but you need to listen and watch carefully until the end. For this, we need to use an iframe element, the close and the open iframe element. Why the iframe is used? In order to enclose the videos, we need the iframe, which works like a frame to enclose or embed the video in any page of HTML. And now, since these are the elements, we need some attributes, right? So we need the main three attributes, and you know attributes are something that will further go on to extend and describe the elements. So here we need the height element, the height attribute, the width attribute, the title attribute, which is not so important. The title you can either write inside or you can write in between the iframe open and close. So the height and width will give it dimensions, which will help you to make it proportional. And you need another most important attribute is a source attribute. Like the way you use it for image, you need a source attribute for the iframe element also. Why do you need the source? The source attribute is for including the URL link of the video which you are extracting from outside externally and inserting it here in order to embed the video in your HTML page. So that's why you need the source attribute. So you have the source attribute, the width attribute, the height attribute, and the title, which is not so important. Title you can write in between the iframe elements. So let's go to a YouTube. I want to go to my YouTube channel because I don't want to have any copyright strikes by extracting someone else's video. Haha. So this is my beautiful YouTube channel with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python. So let me extract a HTML video. Okay. This was the tutorial I did last time for inserting image in your page, adding image in your page. So I'm gonna take the link. So how do I take the link? I just play the video, I click on share, and then I copy the link, and then I paste it here. Just copy the link and paste it here. If you cannot do it, do mention in the comment section. I can explain it if you fall into any problems. Okay, so paste. Now here there's one thing to note. If you just paste the YouTube video link directly here, it just shows the link as youtube.be. It's not showing as youtube.com. So it has to be shown as a full URL as youtube.com in order to show the video. So it's not only, so you have to change that .be to youtube.com and then again / and you have to write embed and then the / and whatever URL link was there, the code was there, just maintain that. So all you need to do is the be.com, you change it to youtube.com / embed, and that's it. Write your width and height, whatever you want to write, and even if you don't write the width and height, for the time being it will do for at this level, for beginner level. Yeah. So let's see what's happening here after putting in the source attribute value. So this is called the source attribute value because I extracted it from an external YouTube, from my video from my own channel. Yeah, and remember to correct the .com over here, otherwise you will not be able to view the video. Has to be https youtube.com and / embed. This is a formula. You can copy it and keep it anywhere, and you can write it all the time. It's always https youtube.com embed followed by whatever URL code is coming in, the embed code. Save. Yeah, so let's view it after saving. So this is the editor's view. I'm using the CodePen editor, which is very good. Yeah. So full page view. Okay. So the full page view, there you go. You can see the video that we extracted. There you go. You can play it. You can pause it or whatever. You can make the height a bit more. I'm not showing that. You can adjust that in your thing. So see you in the next with more interesting HTML videos. If you want it on a daily basis, let me know. Do mention it in the comment section. See you in the next.